Hey family and frenzies, I'm about to show you how to make the most delicious and most flavorful fried pork chops that you have ever had. These are the ingredients you're going to use, and these are your pork chops. You can use any type of pork chop you like, whether it be bone in, bone out, small, large, thick, or thin. And don't forget that sazon. This will bring a wonderful color and flavor at the end. So now we will begin to season our pork chops. I'm starting off with the lemon pepper. Guys, the lemon pepper is your staple ingredient for the most delicious tasting pork chops. Absolutely delicious. Next, we're going to go in with that garlic salt. And guys, as I'm using these ingredients, you will notice that I'm only using a light dusting of each. You do not need a lot of seasoning on your pork chop. We have various different ingredients here, and this is going to give you the best combination of ingredients you have ever had on your fried pork chops. And guys, just make sure while you are seasoning your pork chops, you are not seasoning just one side of those chops. You do not want any halfway seasoned fried pork chops. Trust and believe me when I tell you this. The key to making your food taste absolutely delicious is just making sure you use the right seasonings. Simple as that. Just make sure you go in light with your salts and you're good to go. Next, you're going to grab a plastic bag, paper bag, bowl, or anything you may have on deck. You're going to fully coat those pork chops until they look like this. And then you're going to add them to your grease. And you are going to fry these pork chops for at least 13 to 15 minutes, depending on the size. And you will come out with the best and most delicious, juicy, and tasty fried pork chops that you have ever had. No egg, no cornstarch, no mustard. Just the perfect blend of seasoning and flour. That is all you need, guys. You do not have to get fancy. That's all you need. I want you to try this recipe and let me know what you think. This is absolutely one of my family's favorite pork chop recipes. It is so good and absolutely delicious, guys. And when I tell you, you will be addicted, you will definitely be addicted. Trust and believe. You cannot have just one. Look at how juicy and crunchy that pork chop look. Oh my goodness. Take care, be best, and stay safe, guys. Bye.